What's going on, AI pros? Michael here, and today we've got a major Senate deal that freezes state AI laws for 5 years, Meta going full tilt on superintelligence, Microsoft building AI doctors, Apple may hand Siri over to ChatGPT, and even an AI that turns songs into sheet music. You do not want to miss this. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. As you can see on the article on the screen, let's go ahead and kick it off with the biggest political headline, in that the US senators just struck a deal that pauses all state-level AI laws for the next 5 years. That means from now until 2030, states like California, New York can't create their own AI rules. The idea is to prevent illegal patchwork and give federal lawmakers time to come up with a national framework. But it's controversial. Critics say that this could allow big tech to run unchecked, especially in areas like surveillance, bias, and deepfakes. This still comes as AI advances are accelerating, and with this pause, the pressure is now squarely on Congress to regulate wisely and fast. Then reading this last little paragraph on this article says states across the country have enacted dozens of laws aimed at protecting Americans against risk posed by AI, such as unauthorized deepfakes, copyright violations, algorithmic discrimination. Congress has yet to pass sweeping regulations on AI. So these next 5 years are going to be really crucial, and I think this is a step in the right direction. Next up, Cursor just released its AI coding assistant to web and mobile platforms. This means your AI coding agent isn't just tied to your desktop. You can now debug, edit, and even code on your phone or in your browser with full context carryover. It's designed for flexibility. On-the-go dev work just got a serious upgrade. Some of the things that you're going to be able to do is run tasks while you're away, access from anywhere, collaborate seamlessly, and work with rich context. Now, I haven't delved into Cursor that much. I'm been using Windsurfed, but definitely going to try this out. Now, let's talk Meta. Zuckerberg just announced the launch of Meta Superintelligence Labs. They're going all in. Zucker's hiring AI experts from OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, you name it. The new division is being led by Alexander Wang from Scale AI, and they're building models, infrastructure, and what he calls the world's most capable AI. Going down here in the article, as the pace of AI progress accelerates, developing superintelligence is coming into sight. Zuckerberg wrote in the internal post, "I believe this will be the beginning of a new era for humanity, and I am fully committed to doing whatever it takes for Meta to lead the way." Meta will spend hundreds of billions on AI projects and research in the years to come, Zuckerberg has said. Through the Facebook founder also expects that many firms will likely overspend on AI in an effort to avoid missing the wave. This article goes on to go into more depth about what Zuck is talking about, but I mean, with billions of dollars already invested in AI, Meta just isn't catching up. They are planning to take and keep the lead. So over at Microsoft, big news in healthcare, they've built what they call a diagnostics orchestrator, an AI that acts like a virtual panel of doctors. This AI system outperformed human doctors by a wide margin, achieving an 85.5% diagnostic accuracy versus around 20% for human physicians. The AI doesn't just guess, it asks for lab tests, reviews symptoms, and even refines its thinking step by step. This could totally redefine patient care in the next 5 to 10 years. What's next? This is coming from the article. So physicians are typically characterized by the breadth or depth of their expertise. Generalists, like family physicians, manage a wide array of conditions across ages and organ systems. Specialists, such as, not even going to try to say that, focus deeply on a single system, disease area, or even condition. No single physician, however, can span the full complexity. On the other hand, okay, so if you want to check out this article, it'll be in the link below, but this is the first time I'm hearing about AI doctors, and I would trust my AI. So meanwhile, at Apple, a major shakeup might be coming to Siri. Apple is reportedly testing whether to replace Siri's brain with OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic's Claude. Let me know down in the comments which ones you guys would like to see. I'm more of a ChatGPT guy, but maybe for Siri's instance, Claude would be better. Just go ahead and let me know down below. Now, why is this taking place? Because Apple's in-house model just isn't up to par, and the WWDC came and went without any big Siri announcements. If you've ever yelled at Siri to set a timer and then it's opened up its calendar, this could literally be the upgrade that we're waiting for. Scrolling over to the article right here, I just wanted to read some of the struggles. The project to evaluate external models was started by Siri chief Mike Rockwell and software engineer head Craig. They were given oversight of Siri after the duties were removed from the command of John, the company's AI chief. He was sidelined in the wake of a tepid response to Apple's intelligence and Siri feature delays. Rockwell, who previously launched the Vision Pro headset, assumed the Siri engineering role in March. After taking over, he instructed his new group to assess whether Siri would do better job handling queries using Apple's AI models or third-party technology, including Claude, ChatGPT, Alphabet Inc., Google's Gemini. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be honest. I have Siri turned off just because for that exact reason. It just would not be responsive these last couple years. So I want ChatGPT. Google is taking Gemini, its AI suite, and it's rolling it out across schools. That includes teachers, students, classrooms at no additional cost. This includes auto-generated lessons plans, AI feedback on writing, Notebook LM for students under 18, and even AI-powered video editing tools for Google Vids. I noticed this update a couple days ago when it made me restart and update my Google Chrome, and it's had a little intro, so I was curious to see what all this was about. To help bring stories and lessons to life, we're expanding basic access to Google Vids, making it available to all Google Workspace for education users. Teacher-led gyms and classrooms. If I was a teacher, this would be so helpful. Enhanced administration controls. This could democratize high-tech education, but it also raises a major question about screen time, data privacy, and dependency on AI learning tools. Even though I think that's all the case, I really do think we are in a trajectory of implementing and using AI in our everyday lives. So Google is on the right path. I mean, who am I to say Google's on the right path? It's Google. They're on the right path. And then before we get into the last article that I have for today, I just want to go over Apple's roadmap right here. So in 2025, we have the Apple Vision Pro. 2026, no new Vision or smart glasses products to be released. Apple smart glasses. I'm curious why it's taking them so long to get the smart glasses, because Meta is ahead of the game. Similar to Meta Ray-Bans, Apple's first smart glasses product will offer multiple frame and temple material options for more personalized look. Even though Meta's glasses would have been out for 2 to 3 years, just because of Apple and their tech core and their brand, I think they're going to outbeat Meta in the glasses. That's just my guess. Apple XR glasses, display. Okay. Looking forward to the glasses. I'm actually going to get some Meta glasses here soon too, because I want to try those out. And then finally, the last article I want to talk about is on TechCrunch. Songscription is now being dubbed the Shazam of sheet music. So basically what happens is you play a song, any song, and it spits out full sheet music for piano, guitar, flute, you name it. It's really aimed for students, composers, and music educators. So it's in the early stage, but for musicians, this is a kind of a glimpse at like a very creative AI future. This company called Songscription that launched last week with AI models that automate music transcription. This is from the CEO. We hope to make playing music more enjoyable. CEO of Songscription and student of Stanford's MBA education program. We imagine a future where a rural Nebraska high school band teacher will be able to get sheet music for the songs their students want to play, and that music will be arranged specifically for the instruments in the band and offered at individual level of play for each student. Okay, Songscription, I'm with it. I am with it. So what's your guys' take? The Senate freeze, Meta's AI moonshoot, Apple Series reboot. Go ahead and drop your thoughts in the comment, smash that like button. And if you like what I'm doing with these AI news articles, don't forget to subscribe. And that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.